Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the basics that actually solve most problems. Make sure the SIM is seated, active, and working in a second phone to isolate hardware versus account issues. Then toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds and restart the Samsung. This forces a fresh radio handshake with towers. Once done, check your carrier app or SMS alerts for outages or billing holds, because network blocks or maintenance are often the unseen cause of mobile network not available. Next, dive into settings to fix less obvious issues. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, and verify network mode. Prefer LTE/3G/2G auto, and set operator selection to automatic so the phone can reattach. Check APN details against carrier values. Mismatches stop data and registration. If problems persist, power down, reseat the SIM or swap with a working SIM to rule out a bad card. Run Samsung diagnostics to capture radio errors and guide the next step. To finish, reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. This restores Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network defaults and often fixes registration failures. Make sure your phone software and carrier settings are up to date, and reboot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps interfering with radio services. If none of that helps, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If issues persist afterward, contact your carrier or Samsung support for EMEI and tower provisioning checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.